If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 70 Fusion can overheat, then the answer seems to be no. At least I personally didn't experience any heating issues with this phone. It didn't overheat at all, even though I've been, for example, performing like benchmarks, I've been playing some games on this phone, and yes, the phone gets warmer. You can definitely feel that when the phone gets warmer, but the temperature of the device is not really that high that I would say it is overheating or maybe that it has some heating issues. Not at all. I would say that the phone handles heavy and demanding tasks pretty well. While it gets warmer, it doesn't really overheat. Of course, maybe it is possible to actually overheat the phone if you really try to do that. But if we are talking about like typical daily usage of the phone, I don't think you can actually overheat it. And I might be, of course, wrong. Maybe I'm just lucky and I didn't overheat the phone. But if I'm wrong, then of course you can let me know in the comments. Maybe you can share your experience with your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion if you had the chance to use it for some time. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.